Hello guys, this is the second part of our ROS learning path. In this section, we will see how to install ROS on your system. If you have missed the first part of this video about what is ROS, then I'm giving the link in the description. You can fetch it from there. And here we are using the latest ROS distribution, that is Noetic Ninjemys, primarily targeted at the Ubuntu 20.04 release. So I hope you had Ubuntu 20.04 OS installed. Okay guys, now I am just opening a browser and type install ROS Noetic. Okay, now you can see here wiki.ros.org. Yeah, click on that link. Okay, this is the official site of ros.org. You can see here we want to select Ubuntu because our platform is Ubuntu. Yeah, Ubuntu install of ROS Noetic. Okay, now scroll down, you can see some commands here. Now we are going to install ROS on our system. Okay, just follow the instructions. First of all, we want to set our source list. So just copy these commands and just open your terminal and copy it to that. Okay, just pasting it to it and clicking on enter. And I want to give my credentials here. Okay, now setup keys. Yeah, just copy command and paste it over here. Click on enter. Yeah, okay, now I can skip the second commands. Okay, we don't need this, we only need to copy and run this. Okay, now we are going to apt update. Okay, you can see here sudo apt update. Just copy and paste it. So to update the new source list, we have sudo apt update. Okay guys, now we have done with it, and now we can move to our ROS installation, that is ROS Noetic installation. You have three options here: desktop full install, desktop, and ROS base. Yeah, ROS base. ROS base just contains core packages and features everything you need to run ROS programs, but you will not have any graphical tools and much more debugging tools. If you need to install it on a Raspberry Pi, it is a good option. And the desktop contains all the core packages and debugging tools and also 3D visualizing tools. And desktop full installation contains everything that is in desktop, and also it contains 2D and 3D simulation, etc. And also if you need to install Gazebo and all, you should go for desktop full installation. Okay guys, here I am going for desktop full installation. It will take some time, maybe an hour according to the performance of your system and internet connection. Okay, so I am just copying this command and pasting it over here and clicking on enter. It will take some time. You can see here 2903 MB. Okay, giving yes. Okay, it will take some time. Okay guys, now I have installed ROS Noetic and I can use it, but before that I want to set up the environment. Okay, and I am just taking the terminal. Okay, I'm just typing ROS core. Okay, you can see here ROS core not found. It is showing like not found because we have not set up the environment till now. For that we want to use this source. Yeah, we just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, now click on enter. Now type ROS core. You can see here starter core service. So every time you open the terminal, you should set up the environment so you can use ROS. And I am just closing this terminal and closing this and opening a new terminal, and I'm typing ROS core You can see here it's not found. Again, I want to paste it here. Then only I can use ROS core. Okay. So each time I am opening a new terminal, I want to again initiate it. So for avoiding that, just copy this, add this line to .bash rc. Okay, I had just copy this and paste it over here, closing that terminal. And taking a new terminal and pasting it here and just typing ROS core. And I'm just closing it, and again I am opening a new terminal. Now I am just typing ROS core. You can see here it's loaded. So what we have done is just echoing this line source of ROS Noetic setup.bash to .bash rc. For checking that, just go to the terminal and type gedit slash dot bash rc. Now it's opened. Now we can check it. Go to the end of this file. Here you can see it is added here. This line is added here, source of ROS Noetic setup.bash. And if you need to install more packages on ROS, just type apt install. And just add ROS. Before ROS Noetic hyphen name of the package. I hope you understand. Then I am just closing it here, and this is all for this section. I hope you enjoyed this section. If so, please like this video and consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.